Hello students, welcome back to your 10th class English classes. In the previous video, we have learned some meanings of our first lesson, attitude is altitude. And you know very well the meaning of attitude and what is the meaning of altitude. In the present video, we are going to learn about the lesson attitude is altitude. In this lesson, we are going to learn about a great person. His name is Nick Vujicic. Observe the image of Nick Vujicic. What did you observe here? Yes, he doesn't have arms and legs. What does he have? Yes, he has a small foot on his left hip. See here, this is called hip pod. This is called waist, నడుము నడుము కింది భాగాన్ని ఏమంటాము హిప్ అంటాము. This is the left part of the hip of Nick. So you observe what is there here? A small foot is there. So now we are going to learn about some more about this Nick Vujicic in this lesson. Attitude is altitude. Now see here. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning to help you to scratch that itch, to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Imagine having no legs to kick the pebbles down the street, to walk or run, to bicycle or skateboard, or get you from point A to point B. Then imagine both at once, which is what Nick Vujicic has faced his whole life. Have you heard something like this before? Now listen. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning. Stretch means, I told you already, elongate or extend in the morning. Having no arms. Think you don't have arms. Then are you able to stretch your arms in the morning? It's not possible. Without arms, you can't stretch your body. So imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning to help you to scratch that itch, to allow you, see here, to help you to scratch that itch. Scratch means rub. Itch means uncomfortable feeling on skin. Durada antam. When you feel itch, what you want to do? You want to scratch it, you want to rub it. But think, we don't have arms. Can you do that one? It's not possible. To allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. You want to keep your arms on your around your loved ones, your dear ones. Here, nothing but loved ones, your family members. You want to hug them. Without arms, is it possible? No, it's not possible. So, without arms, these all things are not possible. Imagine having no legs to kick the pebbles down the street. Now, if you think you don't have legs, can you kick the pebbles, small stones, in the while you're going toward the street? You're going somewhere in the street. You want to kick the pebbles, but without legs, can you kick the pebbles? No, it's not possible. Can you walk or run or to ride a bicycle, or can you do skateboarding? No, it's not possible. So we cannot do skating with the help of skateboard without legs. So, or get you means reach. Get you from point A to point B. If you want to reach from one place to another place without legs, it's not possible. Then imagine both at once. So, which is what Nick Vujicic has faced his whole life. So, when you imagine both at once, means both, imagine both, you don't have arms and legs, then you get an image of Nick Vujicic. Already we discussed here, without arms and legs. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn how Nick managed himself to overcome from his disability or the problem to prove his talent to the world. In the next video, I am going to show or present some more information about the Nick Vujicic. Thank you.